Hi, I'm Bao from SlidesLive. Today, I'm sharing 5 essential tips and tricks our team uses to ensure flawless production every time. Number 1. Preparation. Don't underestimate pre-production. Test every cable, every shot, every microphone beforehand. It's easier to test everything in advance than to deal with issues during the stream. Number 2. Data is sacred. Don't delete data during the event. Always wait until the event is over and backups are verified. There is no bigger nightmare than lost data. Number 3. Have a plan B and C. Tech doesn't always cooperate. Prepare a backup for everything. Cameras, microphones, sound, internet. Things can go wrong, but your backups will save the show. Number 4. No panic. Always stay calm and keep a cool head. Problems are best solved with a calm head, not with chaos. Number 5. Think like an editor. Even during shooting, how will it look like? Which shots are suitable? You'll save a lot of time in post-production and make your colleagues' work much easier. So that's it. Thanks for watching.